After your valuable feedbacks, we have upgraded the previous one's features and created the newest Phoenix bag. You may get your discount code by clicking the link below. Now, let's dive into its features. Before I get inside the bag, I want to show you guys the outside of the bag, which I'm first going to talk about the fabric. It's waterproof polyester canvas and easy to clean. You can not only throw it in the washing machine, but also wipe off the dirt. So, this spot cleaning feature will save you time, which is crucial for parents. Another thing I would like to mention about this diaper bag is that it's at the backpack style. It's adjustable straps right here, so you can adjust it to the way you like it. The weight distribution is better than shoulder or messenger diaper bags. You're not gonna want to be trying to hold on to a bag that's trying to fall off your shoulder. Also, you're leaning over a lot with your kids in a day. You are picking up the kid, you are putting down the kid, you are picking up your stuff, their stuff. So your hands need to be free. There is one more feature that makes your hands free. These stroller straps. When you don't want to carry the bag on your back, you can just clip it onto your stroller handles. They can hang there, which is very cool. In addition to these stroller straps, there is double layer holder. Let me show you. The single layer ones, so most of the diaper bag holders get deformed very quickly, so this is more durable. I do want to mention that it has ergonomic design. Look at this soft, breathable back and lumbar support and padded shoulder straps. You'll like this feature because it will give you comfort while you are trying hard to be a good parent. Now, I'm going down here. There is a hidden feature here, which is luggage belt. While traveling, your suitcase will carry your backpack safely, so this feature leads you to carry more with less effort. Other than that, you can put large size books or magazines into this pocket because it's still a packet. Now let's move to the left side of the bag. There is a big full-size anti-theft pocket here. You can put your phone, wallet, and large-size painting book for your kid. It's huge, separate pocket on the back. You may consider putting your changing pad there instead of putting it inside of the bag. By the way, this portable changing mat is a gift coming with this diaper bag. This pad is made of the same material as the outside of the bag and also suitable for spot cleaning and machine washing. Here we have also magnetic wipes bucket. It's very easy to access a wipe in case of emergency situations. Now follow me. That's all. Now, how did I put the wipes there? You need to open the pocket, put any size of wipes because the pocket is very large. Another remarkable feature in the side of the backpack is USB charging port. Let's see how we are using this USB hub. USB charging hub is connected to a cord right here. This cord is coming with the bag. You would plug this into a portable charger, which is something you need to have or purchase separately. I'll link some suggestions below. Check them out since they are a lifesaver if your phone is almost dead, then you really need to call somebody. But if you have this USB charging hub on your diaper bag, and a portable charger. You will plug in your own cord and then plug it into your phone and keep charging all the way. Additionally, there is a headphone hole here. You can enjoy listening music while walking, or it can be a connection for your cords between inside and outside of the bag. You can put your phone into this anti-theft bucket while it's getting charged, and you can easily access it when you need to call someone. On the other side of the bag, we have an insulated bucket. You can put your baby bottles or formulas here. It will keep them warm or cool depending on your needs. Okay, so I'm moving on to the front of the bag. There are two parent pockets on the front. They are not very deep. Let me show you. But you can put your car keys, small notebook, or pen. So, moving on to the inside of the backpack by opening these magnetic clips. There is also another zipper here, which is great because if it was not closed and there is no zipper, your stuffs inside may fall out or people may easily reach them. So, it brings higher security to your backpack. Let's continue with inside bucket. So, when you open it, there is a mesh bucket on the side. You can put your diapers, your water bottle there. On the other side, there are 4 medium-sized shallow packets. To give you an idea, my hand span from pinky to thumb is about 7 inches. I can fit my hand here and expand it. You can put lipstick, rash cream, medicine, and so on. This main compartment is very huge. There are a lot of room here for extra clothes, sweaters, blankets, or diapers. This diaper bag is huge and you would use it not only for baby stuff but also kids stuff as well as your stuff for the adventures like hiking and camping. In this main compartment we have also padded laptop or iPad pocket. It's full size and padded from both sides. Or you may put things other than laptop that you don't want to mix with the ones in the main compartment. On the other side, there is a wide insulated pocket. You may even put a bottle of wine while going to a picnic. I told you it's more than just a diaper bag. On the other side, there is another shallow mesh pocket and a key ring holder. You will not lose your keys anymore. I would like to mention about one last feature that you'll love. Let's imagine the bag is full, but you would like to take something from the bottom. What will you do? Are you going to take out everything and mess inside the bag to find the one you are looking for at the bottom? If you have Phoenix bag, the answer is no. We have easy bottom access here, so you can take whatever you want from the bottom of the bag, then close it without any hassle, which is totally time saver.